What if I told you that the chicken in your KFC bucket has passed more inspections than a spacecraft? It's true. From egg to restaurant, each piece of KFC chicken undergoes over 50 quality checks. But why so many? In this video, we'll reveal the critical points in KFC's production process where these checks occur. You'll discover how these inspections not only ensure food safety, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the consistent taste that KFC is famous for worldwide. A tiny egg, barely the size of a quarter, holds the potential to feed millions. This small wonder marks the beginning of a journey that will transform it into a crispy, golden piece of KFC chicken. But before it reaches your bucket, this egg and the chick it contains will face numerous challenges and rigorous quality checks. KFC has made a bold commitment to cage-free practices and animal welfare. The company recognizes that happy, healthy chickens not only align with ethical standards, but also produce better-tasting meat. However, maintaining these standards across a global operation is no small feat. With thousands of farms supplying KFC worldwide, ensuring consistent practices requires constant vigilance and collaboration. The hatching process is a critical first step. In climate-controlled incubators, eggs are kept at precisely 99.5 degrees Celsius for 21 days. During this time, they're turned regularly to prevent the embryo from sticking to the shell. On day 21, the chicks begin to pip, using their beaks to break through the shell. This process can take up to 24 hours as the chick works its way out of its former home. Once hatched, the chicks enter a crucial period of their early life. They're moved to brooding areas where the temperature is carefully controlled, starting at around 95 degrees Celsius and gradually decreasing over the first few weeks. This mimics the warmth they would receive from a mother hen. The chicks have access to food and water immediately, supporting their rapid growth. KFC has set an ambitious goal to source 100% cage-free eggs and chicken by 2026. This commitment extends beyond just the eggs used in their breakfast menu to include the chickens raised for their iconic fried chicken. It's a massive undertaking that involves working closely with suppliers to modify existing facilities or build new ones that meet cage-free standards. As the chicks grow, anticipation builds towards their first quality check. This initial inspection is crucial, setting the stage for the many checks that will follow throughout their lives. Inspectors look for signs of health and vitality, ensuring that only the strongest chicks continue in the process. The results of this first inspection are impressive. While exact figures vary, industry standards suggest that over 95% of chicks pass this initial check. Those that don't meet the criteria are humanely culled, ensuring that only the healthiest birds move forward in the process. Our chick has passed its first test, but many challenges lie ahead. From here, it will embark on a journey of growth, facing numerous quality checks and hurdles before it can earn its place in a KFC bucket. The road from farm to table is long and complex, filled with rigorous standards and careful monitoring at every step. Every second, KFC serves 75 chickens worldwide. But how do they ensure each one meets their standards? This staggering number highlights the immense scale of KFC's operations and the critical importance of maintaining quality across their global supply chain. As our chick grows, it enters a crucial phase of development on one of KFC's partnered farms. These farms are carefully selected and must adhere to strict standards for animal care, food safety, and environmental responsibility. The chickens are raised in environments that prioritize their well-being, with ample space to move around, access to clean water, and a healthy diet free from added hormones or steroids. KFC's commitment to animal welfare extends beyond just providing the basics. The farms are designed to allow chickens to engage in natural behaviors with access to natural light and objects to peck at. These elements help reduce stress and promote healthier, happier birds, a factor that KFC believes contributes to the quality of their final product. Throughout their growth, the chickens face numerous quality checks. These inspections are rigorous and uncompromising, with the potential for rejection at any stage. KFC's quality assurance teams, along with external organizations, regularly visit these farms to ensure compliance with food safety and animal welfare regulations. These checks cover everything from the chickens' living conditions to their health and growth rates. As the second-largest buyer of chicken globally, KFC's influence on the poultry industry is significant. This position comes with great responsibility, driving the company to set high standards that ripple through their entire supply chain. KFC works closely with farms and suppliers across different countries, adapting their requirements to local conditions while maintaining a consistent global standard. As the chickens reach maturity, anticipation builds for their journey to the processing plants. This transition is a critical juncture in the production process. The transportation itself is carefully managed to minimize stress on the birds and maintain the quality standards established on the farm. While KFC doesn't publicly disclose the exact percentage of chickens that meet their farm-level standards, their stringent quality control process ensures that only birds meeting their exacting criteria move on to the next stage. This careful selection process is a key factor in maintaining the consistency and quality that KFC customers expect, regardless of where in the world they're dining. Our chicken has now grown and is ready for processing, but its journey is far from over. As it heads to the processing plant, it faces perhaps its most intense series of inspections yet. The transformation from farm-raised chicken to the iconic KFC menu item is a complex process, filled with additional quality checks and precise preparation techniques. As our chicken arrives at the processing plant, it enters a gauntlet of inspections that would make even the strictest quality control experts' heads spin. But why are these checks so crucial, and how do they impact the final product you enjoy at KFC restaurants worldwide? The moment chickens reach the processing facility, they're greeted by a team of trained professionals. These experts meticulously examine each bird for any signs of illness or defects, setting the stage for the rigorous quality control process that follows. It's just the beginning of a journey that involves over 50 separate quality checks from farm to restaurant. The intensity and frequency of these inspections are staggering. At every stage of processing, KFC employs both human expertise and advanced technology to ensure that each piece of chicken meets exact standards. Weight, size, and appearance are scrutinized with precision, guaranteeing consistency across all KFC locations. Cleanliness is paramount in this process. The cleaning procedures at KFC processing plants adhere to strict hygiene protocols, effectively removing contaminants and preparing the chicken for the next steps. These measures aren't just about meeting regulations, they're crucial for preventing cross-contamination and maintaining the high food safety standards KFC is known for. As the chickens move through the facility, they're cut into specific parts with surgical accuracy. Each piece is then rapidly chilled to maintain freshness and prevent bacterial growth. Interestingly, in many locations, KFC emphasizes that their chicken is never frozen, preserving its natural texture and flavor. The quality checks don't stop at the processing plant. Regular inspections are conducted by both KFC and external organizations throughout the entire production chain. These audits cover a wide range of factors, including animal care, food safety, and compliance with local and international regulations. KFC's commitment to quality is evident in their use of modern technology to monitor and control every aspect of chicken processing. From the initial inspection to final packaging, advanced equipment ensures that each piece meets KFC's exacting standards. As we approach the final inspection before processing, the anticipation builds. This last check is the gateway to becoming part of KFC's world-famous menu. It's through this series of meticulous inspections and controlled processes that KFC maintains its consistent taste across the globe. Whether you're eating KFC in New York, Tokyo, or London, you can expect the same crispy, flavorful chicken. Our chicken has now successfully navigated the complex maze of quality checks and inspections, but its journey is far from over. In fact, the most critical part of its transformation into the iconic KFC menu item is about to begin. The next step will take this carefully inspected and prepared chicken and turn it into the crispy golden delight that KFC fans know and love. You might think you know the secret to KFC's irresistible flavor, but the reality is far more complex. How does a global fast food chain maintain its iconic taste across thousands of locations? The answer lies behind a highly secure door protected by motion sensors in Louisville, Kentucky. At the heart of KFC's brand identity is the legendary secret recipe, a blend of 11 herbs and spices that has tantalized taste buds for decades. This closely guarded formula is more than just a list of ingredients. It's a symbol of KFC's commitment to consistency and quality. The recipe's mystique has become an integral part of KFC's marketing, creating a sense of intrigue that keeps customers coming back for more. But let's challenge some common myths about this famous recipe. Many believe that only a handful of people know the complete formula, with each knowing just half to maintain secrecy. The truth is even more tightly controlled. Only a select few KFC executives know the full recipe, which is split into 2 parts and stored separately at the company's headquarters. The security measures surrounding the recipe are impressive. The original handwritten recipe by Colonel Sanders is kept in a high-tech safe, equipped with motion detectors and around-the-clock surveillance. This level of protection isn't just for show. It demonstrates KFC's dedication to preserving its unique flavor profile. However, the secret to KFC's consistent taste goes beyond this vault of spices. The company maintains its flavor across global locations through a combination of factors. The secret recipe is just one piece of the puzzle. Equally important are the sourcing of ingredients, the preparation methods, and the cooking techniques used in every KFC restaurant worldwide. As we approach the revelation of the true secret behind KFC's taste, it's important to understand that the recipe itself isn't the whole story. The pressure frying method, developed by Colonel Sanders himself, plays a crucial role in achieving the desired flavor and texture. This technique allows the chicken to cook faster while retaining moisture, creating that characteristic KFC crunch and juiciness. The truth behind KFC's secret recipe vault is that it serves a dual purpose. Yes, it protects a valuable trade secret, but more importantly, it maintains the brand's mystique. The vault's existence fuels curiosity and speculation, keeping KFC in the public consciousness and adding an element of excitement to every bucket of chicken sold. With the secret recipe applied, our chicken is ready for the most crucial step in its journey: cooking. But as we've learned, the magic of KFC's flavor isn't just in the spices, it's in the entire process from farm to fryer that transforms a simple chicken into an iconic fast food favorite enjoyed around the world. From farm to fryer, we've followed KFC's chicken every step of the way. But the next stage is where the magic truly happens. Did you know that KFC's signature crispy texture is achieved in less time than it takes to brush your teeth? The secret lies in a cooking method that defies conventional wisdom. At the heart of KFC's cooking process is the unique pressure frying method. This technique, pioneered by Colonel Sanders himself, sets KFC apart from traditional fried chicken preparations. While most restaurants use open fryers, KFC employs specialized pressure cookers that seal in flavor and moisture while creating that iconic crispy exterior. Pressure frying presents its own set of challenges. The equipment requires precise calibration and careful monitoring to maintain consistent results. The high-pressure environment means that even small variations in temperature or timing can significantly impact the final product. This method demands skilled operators who understand the nuances of the process. The science behind pressure frying is fascinating. When chicken is cooked under pressure, the boiling point of water increases. This higher temperature allows the chicken to cook faster while retaining more moisture. The pressure also forces the seasoning deeper into the meat, enhancing flavor throughout. As the pressure is released, the rapid change creates the characteristic crispy texture KFC is known for. Before the chicken even reaches the fryer, it undergoes KFC's famous seven-fold breading technique. This process involves carefully coating each piece of chicken in a specific sequence of wet and dry ingredients. The result is a thick, adhesive breading that creates the perfect base for pressure frying. As we approach the moment of truth, anticipation builds. How long does it actually take to transform raw, breaded chicken into the golden, crispy delight we all recognize? The answer is surprisingly brief. KFC's pressure fryers operate at around 350 degrees, 175 degrees C, cooking a batch of chicken in just 8 to 10 minutes. This is significantly faster than traditional frying methods, which can take up to 20 minutes. The rapid cooking time is key to KFC's ability to serve fresh, hot chicken to customers quickly. But speed isn't everything. The pressure frying method allows KFC to balance fast cooking with maintaining flavor and texture. The high-pressure environment seals in the juices, preventing the chicken from becoming dry or greasy. The result is chicken that's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and infused with flavor throughout. Our chicken has now completed its transformation, emerging from the pressure fryer golden and crispy. The journey from farm to fryer has been long and carefully controlled, but the most crucial step, cooking, took mere minutes. As the aroma of freshly cooked chicken fills the air, it's clear that this piece is ready for its final journey. From the kitchen to the eager customer waiting to enjoy KFC's iconic flavor. With cooking complete, you might think the chicken's journey is over, but the next few minutes are just as crucial as the entire process leading up to this point. What happens in these final moments that can make or break KFC's promise of finger-licking good chicken? As the freshly cooked chicken emerges from the pressure fryer, it enters a carefully orchestrated process designed to maintain its quality until it reaches the customer. KFC restaurants are equipped with specially designed holding units that keep the chicken at the perfect temperature and humidity. These units are meticulously calibrated to preserve the crispy exterior while ensuring the meat inside remains juicy and tender. During busy periods, maintaining consistent quality becomes a significant challenge. The kitchen staff must balance the need for speed with the imperative of delivering a product that meets KFC's exacting standards. To achieve this, KFC implements strict holding times for its chicken. Each piece is tracked from the moment it leaves the fryer, and any chicken that exceeds the designated holding time is removed from service. This ensures that customers always receive chicken at its peak, freshness and quality. Quality control doesn't end once the chicken is cooked. KFC employees are trained to perform regular checks on the chicken in the holding units, assessing factors such as temperature, appearance, and texture. These ongoing inspections help catch any potential issues before the product reaches the customer. As the chicken awaits its final journey to the customer, KFC is also addressing another crucial aspect of its operation: environmental impact. The company has been making strides in reducing waste and improving the sustainability of its packaging. KFC has set ambitious goals to make all consumer-facing plastic packaging recoverable or reusable by 2025. This initiative extends to every aspect of their packaging, from the iconic bucket to the individual wrappers for chicken pieces. The moment of serving approaches, and with it comes the culmination of KFC's extensive efforts to ensure food safety and quality. As the chicken is packaged for the customer, whether for dine-in or takeout, staff members perform one final visual inspection. This last check serves as a final safeguard, ensuring that only chicken meeting KFC's standards makes it into customers' hands. KFC's strategies for maintaining food safety during transportation and service are comprehensive. For delivery orders, the company uses specialized packaging designed to retain heat and maintain the chicken's texture. Delivery drivers are trained in food safety practices and equipped with insulated bags to keep the food at the correct temperature during transit. Our chicken's journey from farm to customer is now complete, but KFC's commitment to quality and sustainability continues. The company's efforts extend beyond the individual piece of chicken to encompass broader initiatives aimed at improving their overall environmental footprint and ensuring consistent quality across their global operations. KFC's commitment to quality and sustainability doesn't end at the restaurant door. What if your next bucket of chicken could actually help combat climate change? KFC is cooking up a plan that might just revolutionize the fast food industry. In recent years, KFC has launched ambitious initiatives aimed at sustainable and ethical chicken production. These efforts reflect a growing consumer demand for more environmentally responsible fast food options. However, implementing these changes on a global scale presents significant challenges for a company that serves millions of customers daily across numerous countries. One of KFC's key focus areas is reducing antibiotic use in its chicken supply. The company is working closely with its suppliers to maintain high standards while phasing out antibiotics that are important to human medicine. This shift requires careful management to ensure food safety and chicken health without relying on traditional antibiotic practices. KFC regularly checks its suppliers and promotes transparency across its global supply chain to meet these goals. Improving chicken welfare is another crucial aspect of KFC's sustainability efforts. The company is investing in better living conditions for chickens, including more space, natural light, and enrichment activities. These changes not only address ethical concerns, but also potentially contribute to better tasting, higher quality chicken. KFC's environmental goals extend beyond chicken production. The company has set ambitious emission reduction targets, aiming to significantly decrease its carbon footprint across its operations. This includes implementing energy-efficient equipment in restaurants, optimizing transportation routes, and exploring renewable energy options. As KFC looks to the future, it faces the complex task of balancing global expansion with environmental responsibility. The company is exploring innovative solutions such as plant-based menu options and sustainable packaging materials. These initiatives aim to reduce environmental impact while still meeting consumer demands for convenience and taste. The vision KFC is working towards is a fast food industry that doesn't compromise on flavor or convenience, but also prioritizes sustainability. This involves reimagining every aspect of their operations, from sourcing ingredients to packaging and waste management. KFC's global reach gives it the potential to make a significant impact, setting new standards for the industry as a whole. As we've seen throughout our journey from farm to table, there's more to KFC's success than just a secret recipe. The company's future hinges on its ability to adapt to changing consumer preferences and environmental realities, while maintaining the quality and taste that made it famous. As KFC continues to evolve, it's clear that the next chapter in fast food history will be written with sustainability in mind. From a tiny egg to a crispy bucket favorite, we've traced the intricate journey of KFC chicken. At every step, From farm to fryer, careful inspections and advanced techniques ensure quality and consistency. KFC's balancing act is impressive, preserving traditions like the secret recipe while pushing for sustainability and improved animal welfare. As fast food evolves, KFC is adapting to meet changing expectations. Their efforts in ethical sourcing, antibiotic reduction, and environmental initiatives show a commitment to responsibility that goes beyond just serving tasty chicken. This complex process raises questions about the future of fast food. As consumers, how will our choices shape the industry? Will we prioritize convenience, sustainability, or both? KFC's journey suggests that with innovation and care, maybe we can have our chicken and feel good about eating it too.